Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share another beginner moves video with you guys. The first one was so popular, so I thought I'd do another one. In this video, we're just gonna do a little bit more advanced moves than the first video. So if you're just stepping on the ice, this video might not be for you, but of course you're welcome to try all the moves. So let's get to it. So we're gonna start off with some squat dips. So basically all we're doing is just squatting down, keeping our knees together and our arms forward, so out to the side and then forward. Always making sure that your back is straight and you're always looking forward. Then we're just gonna do the same thing, except we're gonna bring one foot up and we are changing each side, so one side and then the other side. So again, keeping your body straight here. You don't wanna be slouching in any time. After that, we're going to work on our 3 turns. So we're just working on our twist action, keeping our feet on the ground and just twisting our arms in the opposite direction as our hips. Now we're going to add a knee bend. So we're going up and then into the knee. So in the knee, up and then in the knee. And our arms and shoulders are still going in the opposite direction as our knee. Now we're going to put it into action. So add a little bit of speed and we're going to do exactly the same thing, but just hold in the knee a little bit longer so you see the lift in the knee and then back down in the knee. The arms are still going in the opposite direction. Also make sure that you're doing both sides. Everything applies for both sides, and if you want you can try it on the circle to add the 2-foot 3 turn with swizzles. So first we're going to do 2 swizzles and then we're going to do a 3 turn and then we're going to do 2 back swizzles. So making sure your arms are out to the side, your posture is nice and straight. And if you want to make it more advanced, you can add a swizzle, then a 3 turn, and then 2 swizzles, and then you can do a 3 turn backwards to forwards. And making sure that your posture is nice and straight, your head is straight, and when you turn, you're going into the knee, up, and then back into the knee, and then repeat backwards. Arms to the side, posture straight, and then in the knee, and then up, and then in the knee. This next exercise is really good for learning crossovers. So what we're going to do is a 2-foot glide on a circle, and then we're going to lift one leg up. And our arms are out to the side for now. Our head is straight, our posture is straight. So you're going into the 2-foot glide, and then you're going to stand on one foot and bring the other foot up. This is just going to help you to get that good feeling of being on one foot and then being ready to cross over. Next up is backwards, so it's the same thing. You're doing a 2-foot glide, then you're lifting the outside leg up. Your arms and your shoulders are with your hip in the same line, and you're always looking back. So you're making sure that you always have place. So you're making place for the leg, and then you're going up. This is really going to give you a good feel for when you want to cross over the leg and achieve the crossover. So always make sure your posture is nice and straight, and always try to make sure that you finish every exercise with a nice forward exit or backward exit. That is it for today. I hope you guys like these moves, and I hope it helps with your skating, and I hope you improve a lot. If you want to see some other kind of skating videos, please let me know down in the comments. And if you want to see more skating videos, just give this video a like so I know to post more. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to press that bell button so you're always notified when I post a new video. And if you'd like to stay updated with my daily life, please follow me on Instagram at sofa.bar. So until my next video, bye guys!
Ja. Oké, te close.